Hi, good morning, friends. Welcome to my channel, Think IT Learn Technology. Today we will create another video. This is regarding how to purchase a new domain. If you really want to purchase a new domain, you have to purchase it from a provider. It could be GoDaddy. It could be Network Solutions or any of the providers. Really doesn't matter. So before we continue to purchase a new domain, kindly subscribe to my channel and click the like button. So let's just go ahead and okay, you need to type GoDaddy.com and just need to log in if you want to. If you don't want to, you don't need to log in. And then next step would be to enter the name of the domain you really want to purchase. It could be anything, google.com if it's available or whatever. So for me, I'm just trying mstraining365.com.in. I really don't care. Okay, .com is available, but it's for a 2-year registration. It will cost me 199 rupees for the first year. I really don't want to do that. I don't know how much will be the total cost. Let's just check. It's taking too much of my time. Continue to cart. So it will cost me around 1248 rupees. I really don't want to do that. I'll look for something. Okay, ms365.live. This will cost me around 148 rupees. So yeah, this let's just add this to my cart. What all get with this is website builder free trial. It won't cost me anything, but there are professional services, professional email that will cost me this. I really don't want this. I'll delete this. Next there is mstraining365.com that I added earlier. I just want to remove this as well. Let's see next. So ms this will cost me 25.35. I really don't want this for 2 years. I'll change it to 1 year. Change it to 1 year. So this is 148.51 rupees. Just have to go. Let's just go ahead to our cart. I really don't want any protection or anything, but yes, if you want to, you can just add it up, and this will be the cost that will be added to your cart, to your final purchase. Next it is okay, it has changed everything. I need to change it back to what I need actually. I really don't need a professional email. I just need this. I don't need this. Okay, so next it's asking continue to check out, and I'll do that. Okay, next you need to use the payment method of your preference. I'm going to use the UPI method, save payment method. So it's 190 rupees, which is because of taxes and extra fee. I'll go ahead and I'll complete purchase. It will ask me, I believe, yeah, here's the UPI method. I'll just type my UPI ID and I'll do the payment. So I'll wait for the UPI. Okay, so the payment has already been completed. I believe you are spending with. Okay, they are still processing the payment method. Once this will be 100% confirmed, I'll get a domain, and the receipt will be delivered to my registered email ID. Okay, that's all. This will be the end of the video. So yeah, this purchase has been confirmed. I have received my email, and in the next video what we'll do, we will just try to add this domain to our Office 365 account. So thank you very much. Kindly subscribe to my channel and click the like button of this video. Thank you very much. Have a great day.